Hi, welcome to the second video of the series, and today we are going to discuss about our second indicator, which is leading leaders. It designed to identify stocks that are behaving like institutional leaders, not just showing temporary strength. So how does it do that? The core idea behind this indicator is that true leaders show repeated constructive behavior, not one day spike. So this script evaluates four independent dimensions of leadership on every bar and then measures persistence over time using a rolling cluster score. Goal is to answer one question clearly. Is this stock consistently behaving like a leader while institutions are accumulating? So we use relative strength. The script compares the stock's daily performance against a benchmark index over a configurable look back period and normalizes it. This identifies stocks that are outperforming the broader market, similar in concept to RS ranking models used by professional momentum trader. Second one is proximity to 52-week high. Strong leaders tend to trade near their highs, not deep down below. Script checks whether price is within a defined percentage of 52-week high, filtering out structural weak stocks. For relative strength, I'm using benchmark index Nifty total market, and a look back period is 252 days, which is 1 year. And for 52-week high, I'm using 20% for 52 high. Third one is fundamental growth. So we are using EPS and sales growth for fundamental growth. Institutional leadership is usually backed by real business growth. So only stocks meeting minimum growth threshold contribute to the leadership score. Fourth one is volume. So we use accumulation logic, means the stock is advancing with expanding volume, clearly visible over here. See the volume spikes and price moving up. Then pullbacks or tight candles with contracting volume. See. So this means lack of selling pressure. This aligns with the accumulation principle used by William O'Neill, Mark Byroney, and professional momentum traders. Then there is our leadership scoring model. So score 3, which means score 3 is a score of a single bar. So each bar receives a binary score of each component, as we discussed earlier. And there is a cluster score also. Here cluster score is 14, which means it is the sum of last 5 bars. Sum of the score of last 5 bars. So this creates a daily leadership score and not a trading signal. So, and the cluster score is a persistence filter which separates one-day wonders from the true institutional leaders under accumulation. So stocks triggering strong cluster condition have shown repeated strength, not isolated spikes. Then there is a visual design philosophy also in simple terms. It's a green background. Green background means it's a strong stock. How to use it? This indicator doesn't generate buy or sell signal. It helps in building watch list of high quality leaders, identifying accumulation before breakouts, filtering momentum continuation candidates, and avoiding low quality or noisy stocks. So market condition analysis during weak breadth environments. So it's best suited for daily and high time frames, swing trading, momentum, and breakout strategy. It's a research and analysis tool, not a trading system. It can be a part of a trading system. Let's check it on our list. It's a list of some random stocks. So how do we use it? See, if color is green and cluster score is 8, we can add it to our watch list and monitor it. See, most traders fail not because they are not using a good setups. They are indeed using good setup, but still they fail because we need to find good setups in a strong or a leader stock. So it's not vice versa. We have to first find a strong stock, a leader stock, and then find setup in it for timing our entry. See here, and let's check our score also over here. It's near resistance. Our score is 11. That is a decent score. Volume is also spiking, and see, score is good, so it's our watch list candidate. Whatever your entry philosophy or your buying philosophy is, whether you are buying it over here or buying it over here or buying it over here or here, you have a strong stock in your watch list and you have to just buy it at your entry point. Let's go to Hind Copper again, a strong stock, just broke out of the base. Entry was over here, also here and here. Pankia, not a strong stock, not a watch list candidates. RVNL, railway stock. We got some good volume and price spikes recently in railways and defense stocks. Let's see how they behave. Right now, it's a weak stock. MMTC, a weak stock. IRFC, again from railways. Ricoato, that's a strong now. See the volume spike. There is a consistent buying by the big money. So it's a watch list candidate. Right now, there is no entry at this moment. NDTV, a weaker stock. GMTC from mining sector. Vedanta Limited and Ashapur Mining and National Aluminium. They are leader of this sector, and it has also turned around with volume, beautiful volume. Strong stock. Let's see. It gives entry. GM2, it moved well and again moving up with the volume. Let's see its watch list candidate. Rain, not so strong stroke. Oh, we are simply checking if background is green or not. If it's green, we will add it to our watch list. Railton again from railways. Net Geo very weak. A strong stroke. A really very strong stroke. Silver obviously. Karur Vesha gave entry yesterday. Also broke out from this base. Strong stroke. Let's see if it gives us another entry. NBCC, strong stroke. Titagarh, volume spike, price jumps from railway. Stallion, okay. Let's clarify something. See, as per Richard Wyckoff and Stan Winston's stage analysis theory, the stock have four stages. This one is accumulation stage or stage one. If you buy here or here, you don't know how much more time it will take to come out of this accumulation phase. So money is not earned here. Money is earned over here. So our indicator separates stocks in growth stage from other stocks. It simply identifies strong stocks and stocks in growth stage. MOL, no, it's not strong stock. It's giving green, but see, it's a very large stage one. Accumulation is going on from many days. See, if we buy over here, somewhere here, and with dipper SL, or we buy here and dipper SL, see, there is a opportunity cost also. So if you buy a stock right over here, see, this is growth stage. If you buy over here, you are earning. You buy over here, you are earning. But if you buy over here, you are not earning. The price is not going over here anywhere. So what we do, we buy a stock which is in uptrend, not in a sideways. Aircon again from railways, not a good stock. Craftsman, a good stock. Just work out of this consolidation and also near ATH. Bad, not good, not good now, not good. Yeah, defense stock, not good. See, National Aluminium, again from very strong sector and very strong stock. It already given trade over here. Now it's already extended. So, but still a watch list candidate. We will keep it in our watch list. Okay, again, Bellrise. Bellrise is a strong stock, but the background is not green. So why is that? Because it's an IPO stock, and our configuration over here for look back period is 250 days, which is around 1 year, not around, which is a 1 year look back period, and the stock is listed recently. So it is not computing it properly. So you can reduce this for IPO stocks. KMU, again, it was strong right over here also, but as it was a IPO stock recently listed, so it was not in our strong or green background. POCL, a strong stock from metal sector. Aster DM, it was strong, but it fell. Let's see how it behaves. Again, strong stroke. So our indicator identifies strong strokes and we make a watch list and then check our setup or whatever our criteria for entry is, and we enter a stock in a growth stage. The money is made in the growth stage as we have already seen in that example. Strong stroke. So that's it. I think we have seen enough examples. Thank you.